So this is our last for today's video. Ayan, nagigisa tayo ng bawang sibuyas and kamatis. So this is our last for today's video. After magisa ang bawang sibuyas at kamatis, lalagyan natin ang ampalaya and eggplant. Ayan, nalagay na natin yung ampalaya and eggplant. So, halin na ng konti. Then, we'll put the pumpkins. After we put the pumpkins, so haluin ng konti.